Before he addressed media persons at the Secretariat, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had said at the Dabolim airport that there should be an official communication from the Prime Minister and that he was unable to comment on the hearsays. This was in reply to a query from waiting journalists whether rumors doing the rounds about his possible induction has a ring of truth to it.
The Chief Minister was answering newsmen's query at the Dabolim airport on Thursday afternoon upon his arrival from Delhi.
Prime Minister's request let there be official announcement.
Some of the BJP legislators and ministers spoke about what they felt on the possible induction of Manohar Parrikar as the Defence Minister of the country.
His name has been proposed, that I also know, everybody knows. But as far as Goa is concerned, he shouldn't leave Goa and go, and I don't think he will leave Goa and go. I spoke to him yesterday and he said, I will not leave Goa and go. So now he's coming back from Delhi, 4 o'clock again I'm meeting him. But as far as I can tell you, he will not leave Goa and go. He's got different reasons. He's got, Goa requires a chief minister like him. To replace him, we do not have anybody else.
आमचो मनीस इतल्या व्हडल्या कामा खातीर जर शॉर्टलिस्ट जाता आनी देशाच्या पंतप्रधानाक जर दिसता की टू हँडल एन इम्पॉर्टंट पोर्टफोलियो लायक डिफेन्स only and only Mr. Manohar Parrikar is efficient and eligible. I am proud, I am happy, and I am very much proud because he has been our associate, he has been a guiding force towards, he has been a key person in organization and as well as in administration. And त्यामुळे just calling for any ministerial berth was not that serious, I would say, but calling for a specific defense is a great.
Here Prime Minister Narendra Modi has chosen our Chief Minister to be the Defence Minister of our country. The Defence Ministry is number 3 ministry, and I think it is a very rare honor. It is honor for which all national leaders yearn for, and if at all the Honorable PM has invited our dear Chief Minister, I think one must feel great about it. I feel great.
PWD Minister Ramakrishna Dhavrikar said that it should be the first choice of any person to serve the country.
It's very good if he is going to Delhi and to serve for the country. It should be the first choice of any person. Maybe CM, maybe anybody who is talented, who is doing good work. It is very good.
But
it is their party choice. I can't talk on that. पयलीं म्हणजे भारतीय जनता पक्ष हो तांणी डिसिजन घेवपाक जाय. तांणी डिसायड केल्या नंतर ताजेर मागीर कमेंट आमचे आसता.
When Mr. Parsekar was asked if he was ready to take up the reins of the state if Mr. Parrikar was really made the defence minister, he merely said that he had never refused to do any work that the party had allotted him.
हांवें केन्ना कितें पार्टीन दिल्लें रिजेक्ट केलां त्यामुळे पार्टीन सांगत तें आज पर्यंत आमी करीत आसात न्ही.